There's murder and corruption, there's sorrow and there's anguish, there's torture and there's torment, and there's news and there's news, there's business suits and bullies, there's travesties and traffic, there's genocide and homelessness and plagues and corporate greed and... Fuck you! The body is eating a flower! Fuck you! The body is eating a flower! Fuck you! It's a goddamn flower! And the body is eating it! And it's killing fucking sad! There's fascists and there's fat cells, there's hellfire and there's hailstorms, and evil men with evil minds keep doing evil things. There's trench coats and tiaras, there's crude oil and colonics, there's STDs and escargot and WMDs and... Fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! It's eating some bread and now it's doing a dance! Sweet Jesus is doing a dance! The internet wants to love you. The internet wants to make it all better. The internet wants to hold you close and caress your hair and bite your fucking nipples. What? There's bankers and there's borders. There's conflicts and collisions. There's agony and effigies, despondency and deities. There's bird flu and there's bomb threats, reactions and recessions. There's blasphemy and bigotry and tragedies and hate and... Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! Just look at the monkey! Really look at the monkey! I said look at the goddamn monkey! Fuck you! The pig is doing a goose! Fuck you! The dance is riding a flower! Fuck you! The monkey is eating a body! The internet is a big warm hut for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! A big warm hut for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
This one needs a bit of setup and help, and I think we have enough people to do this tonight. This is the most evil song I've ever written. We're going to divide this audience into three groups. And people over here, you are the sex group. If I point to this side of the room, I need you to all scream out, sex! Can you do that? Awesome. This middle of the room, you're going to be the drugs group, so let your little straight edge ideas go. And when I point at you, I need you to scream, drugs! Can you do that? We played at Syracuse last night, straight edge capital of the fucking world. We had like one guy, drugs! Then he got his ass kicked. Anyway, over here we have the Satan group, the most evil group of all. I want to hear some Bruce Dickinsons, I want to hear some Rob Halperds, and I want to hear some Tom Arias. Let's do it now. Satan! Satan! Awesome, all right. Wait, I'm still torn by the weakness of the sex group right now. I guess we need some people from over here to... we need some drugs to help the sex. All right, let's try this again now. All right. This is called What Your Parents Think All Your Music Sounds Like.
Kill your parents, kill your teachers, kill yourself. Sculpt a statue of the devil with your feces. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer! cool kids sacrifice their cat to save death. Shit, fuck that beer, sing it! Shit, fuck that beer! Turn your hat and show your undies like a gangsta. Put your homework off until the very day it's due. Girls will fuck you if you drink right from the milk jug. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer!
Oh, my penis is anatomically correct, which means it has a penis, and that penis is anatomically correct because it has a penis, and the penis of that penis has a penis with a penis, and that penis has a penis with a penis on its penis, and the penis on the penis of the penis has a penis, and that penis has a penis with a penis with a penis with a tattoo of which she wished violate.